Hello and welcome to this integration video between Uma and ootee's Motionn Controller. So again, I'm starting with a blank scene which has an Uma in it. I've set up my additional essential recipes, and I've also put some wardrobe items on my character, and if we hit play, there you go, we've got a nice static character ready to go. Again, I've got this default animation controller in an A pose. We're going to change this, so let's just leave that there. So again, like any other controller, to turn this into something more usable, we need to use Uma's bone builder. Again, let's put our player item on here and say generate bones. This will immediately add our animator, and it will also add our bone structure. So from here on in, our Uma is just like any other model, and ootii will be able to recognize it as such. So I'm going to go up to component, ootii, and add a motion controller. One thing I do need to do that's slightly different is I need to add in this default animation controller ootee's animation controller. So I'm going to open this up, and I believe it's called humanoid. Yep. And that should do it. So let's just go down, and ootii will need my input entries in there, and I'm going to say I want an adventure style controller. Okay, so nothing unusual. If I hit play, this should just work, and there we are. We've got ootee's motion controller working beautifully with Uma. Let's see if we can get up these stairs. Yes, we can. So hopefully that was nice and straightforward, and I'll see you another time. And once again, I'd like to say a big thank you to my patrons for making this possible. If you would like to support me, feel free to click that link at the end of the video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.